What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video, and today is so special in so many ways. Today I am unboxing the VIVO X300 Ultra with photography kit bundle presentation Big Booner box. And what makes this more special is it's from Vivo Direct. Yes, since meeting a lot of the team over at MWC, I found out that they watch the channel. Just like all of you, they seem to enjoy the content. So we exchanged details and they lived up to their word. They have sent me the VIVO X300 Ultra global version. If you'll just allow me a minute to gush a little. VIVO is my canary in the coal mine, the white whale. From the very inception of the Average Dad channel, it's always been VIVO. Now, to be able to work with Huawei and Xiaomi and Honor and Oppo and OnePlus and all the other phone manufacturers is fantastic. But VIVO just have a special sentimental place in my heart. So before I show you the unboxing, I just wanted to say thank you, because none of this shit would be possible without you watching. And I know that sounds cliche, but it's true, because if you didn't watch, I'd have no views, I'd have no subs, I'd have no platform. So yeah, just thank you. Now, before I show the unboxing, I'm going to answer a question before everyone comments it. The global version is available on the Average Dad Tech Store. The X300 global version with photography kit bundle presentation box is not available yet. It's just been sent to some very lucky reviewers. However, I am hearing very positive things that it will become available in countries such as Germany, Malaysia, Hong Kong. So of course I will get hold of it and add it to the store as quick as I can. I will also be adding the Small Rig Pro Video rig. This is a full-on cage setup with attachable lights and microphones and all the ports you need to be a professional videographer, which I am definitely not. You guys know that. I'm an amateur at best, but it's still pretty goddamn cool to be able to play around with all these extra accessories. Anyway, I'm rabbiting on. Let's get into the unboxing. Now, let's get into this mammoth unboxing. First of all, I mean, just look at it. How often do you get massive presentation boxes like this? I had to take a quick snap and send to my Average Dad members because they get priority access to everything. They're loyal members. So you can join through Buy Me a Coffee if you want to be included. Now, opening the box itself, you're greeted by the 1TB VIVO X300 Ultra global version. Of course, there's a Chinese version too, you can pick up from the store. And for anyone asking, yes, we will stock this global big box photography kit as soon as we have pricing and confirmation. Now, inside the box, we also have a lovely drawer. And this drawer contains all the goodies you could ever want if you're a photographer or videographer. More on the videography part soon though. Now, here you can see a lovely little graphic of the two lenses, because yes, there are two telescopic lenses in here. A 200mm and a 400mm lens. Both come with lens caps on, and that's important for about a minute away where I'll tell you something else. This is the larger 400mm, which is, yeah, I'll do a separate video showing you the photo outputs and video outputs with both these lenses. All you need to know right now is they feel and look super premium. I love that VIVO have brought this all basically in-house. Last year, the collaboration, which included the case, wasn't great. I think it was PGYT Tech. Now VIVO have brought it in-house, and the case itself has felt lined inside and far more premium feeling than last year. Now, there's still a lot more to talk about, like the grip. The grip has been improved as well. There's now a zoom slider, EV slider, there's a record button, a photo shutter button. Continuing on, we have this huge shoulder slash body sling for the camera setup. I'm not going to use this ever, but it's pretty cool, and it does come with a quick release if you want to remove the phone from the huge strap as well. Now, this first box contains your connectors. This is a resting mount for the 200 and 400 mAh lens, and that third thing there is a tripod quick release mount. Super handy, means you don't have to unscrew the whole thing. You can quick release the phone from any tripod. And as you just seen there very quickly, spare lens caps for both lenses. Now inside here we have our ND filter ring, a spare universal mount ring that comes included on the case anyway, and then of course your adapter. You need this to attach your telescopic lenses to. And then finally, we have to open up the box and show you this bad boy. But important to note, inside the box, before we get to the phone, there's a really nice TPU case colour match to the black phone I have. There is also, you will be delighted to hear, a charger included in the box. This Malaysian global version, sent from VIVO, is a UK charger. Yes, a UK 100 watt charger included in the box. And there is a USB-C to C cable on the other side of the box. Now for the phone itself, we already know this will be the black 1TB version. You know what it looks like, but here, have a look. This is massive in terms of display, and that camera ring is the biggest I've experienced so far. So that's it for the video. You've seen the unboxing of the photography kit. Please subscribe. I will have a deep dive of the full photography kit coming soon, and news on the special Pro Video rig that you can purchase as well. I absolutely love this phone. I love this setup. Congratulations VIVO to bring this global. I am delighted. Until next time.